as a beginner, if you want to start, know your limits. If you want to go to that business, it's a very good business for me. Lysine, metolene, premix is part of their feed, very, very necessary. Water is the major thing. That is the major thing. Finisher can still manage 12% retained. To start with a good breed, it's very, very profitable. I would not advise to go for the Komburo if I'm a beginner. Every first week of every month, I give them iron and vitamins. If you have the money now, prepare yourself for 4 months straight down. A clean environment will help your food and your animal to grow faster. You have a good breed, you have a good formulation of food, and you don't have a good environment, it's zero. Hi guys, that's my normal logo for them. I have the big one that I speak to them, they hear me, they'll play with me. Orúkọ mi ni Mrs. Fumilayo Ajadi Eniola. Àgbẹ̀ ni mí nípa iṣẹ́ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. I start with 2.5 million naira. Okay, the first thing mo kọ́ look at is space, ilẹ̀. And after ilẹ̀, mo ṣe building yìí. This is the first building. Mo kọ́ build nínú owó yẹn. Then, and the third one was ẹran. Mo ra ẹran nínú ẹ̀. In anybody tó bá fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ in a small scale, the first thing to think about is what you can do within your power. So if you want to start, if you have like small capital and you know that owó tí mo ní ẹran ẹyọkan ló lè rà, I'd advise the person to go for just one and prepare yourself for 3 months field. Tó jẹ ẹ máa wà nílẹ̀, tí ò ní sí any mixed, tí ò ní sí pé wọ́n jẹ nǹkan lónìí, wọ́n stop lọ́la. That is my whole advice. But if you think, okay, money 300k, ẹ fẹ́ fowó yẹn lọ ra ẹran 300k, and you don't have like extra income, like for like 3 months, only take one straight, that is a no way for to go. But if you want to go to that business, it's a very good business for me. I can say, but know your limits. The importance of clean environment for them is very, very necessary. It's very, very necessary, because it's just like you have a good breed, you have a good formulation of food, and you don't have a good environment, it's zero. That 3 things work together: clean environment, good food, and good breed. It works together. A clean environment will help your food and your animal to grow faster, as in like triple. They have a good space to sleep, and kò ní sound particles to mama pick. But if the place is not clean at all, it is zero. You need to have a clean environment because it's very, very necessary. It's important. 2 times in a day, you clean in the morning. Anything around 8 o'clock to 10, you clean. And the second section is anything 3 o'clock to 4. That's the second cleaning. To wash in the morning, and second, we just patch all those remnants and the shit after 3 to 4. The importance of cleanliness for them to have a good skin. Àwọn kòkòrò ní wàrà wọn. Tí wọ́n máa fi lè ní worms lára, ó máa jẹ ara wọn, ó máa jẹ oúnjẹ wọn. Let us not okay, oúnjẹ tó yẹ káwọn gangan máa fi ṣara lóore, worms ẹ̀ ló máa gbà lára wọn. Part of the feed, worms will take half, and the pigs will take half. We have different breeds. We have more than 30 something breeds. Komburo, we have a light white, we have a landrate, and we have a Duroc. To start with a good breed, it's very, very profitable. But owó tí good breed you require olofa. You can go for the large white, landrace. I would not advise to go for the Komburo if you're a beginner. If you have a good breed and you don't have a good environment, you are still in it 0 points. But if you have a good breed, you have a good formulation, and you have a good environment, you are 100% successful. I don't know other farms. I do once my pigs 2 months every, like 6 times in a year. I have a routine. I have a routine. Every first week of every month, I give them iron and vitamins. In the 2 months, I deworm them. But sometimes, maybe I feel like, this pig is not, I don't like the way it's dull, and I've already dewormed the pigs. I give anyone I feel like this is not, like, it's feeling safe. Mama fún hele or kin fún pen step. To marry pe kini ẹ̀ tí wọ́n lára, and that pen step is a very, very active one. Iṣẹ́ kíákíá ló máa ṣe. Even though gan tẹ́ bá fún wọn, tẹ́ bá ti rí pé nǹkan tí ń ṣe, ẹ ti notice pé kò active, tẹ́ bá fún wọn, they will pick immediately. The LA, the iron, the vitamin, the Bico, everything, I have it. Kò dìgbà tó bá sùn sílẹ̀ kí n tó fún wọn. Nípa feeding wọn, we have 6 major things that are very, very important. We have carbohydrates, we have protein, we have fiber, we have oil, we have mineral and vitamin. That is very, very, very compulsory in any food formulation. For me, initially, I just need to go to local market and gather all nǹkan tí mo need. Type of carbohydrate tó ṣe common tá dẹ̀ ṣì lè rí nítòsí. There is a cassava, corn, àgbàdo is good carbohydrate too. But protein, we have animal protein and we have plant protein. Plant protein is soya. The major one is soya. But animal protein, we have fish meal, we have blood meal. Around plant protein, no, ani epa, that is groundnut nuts, ani. So there is a very good protein for animals. And if we are talking about fats, to build fats in Olara, you can use PKC. They need fiber too. Fiber means corn bran, wheat bran, biru waste, all those things. And fiber ni lysine, metolin, premix is part of their feed. Very, very necessary. Láti fi sínú ẹ̀. If they are filled well, they will just need to relax. They will not disturb. The first stage ni pé kí ẹ mójútó winners láti lẹ̀. The food formulation wọ́n ní láti wà properly arranged. Not like pé mo rí anything láti fún wọn. Tẹ́ bá rí anything láti fún wọn, they will not give you the good results at the end of the day. Instead of, okay, in the next 6 months, kàn ti fún yín ní 85 kg. Tẹ́ bá ti lè meet up from the beginning, just like primary school. Tọ́mà fi lè dé primary 3 is 0 ni. Èyàn lè meet up more. Water is the major thing. That is the major thing. That is the key. That is the one thing that can sustain. Let's assume that when you ráyè wá sóko sometimes and they have water, they can sustain that water for like 4 days without food. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ tó bá sick, kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe. Tẹ́ bá ń tọ́jú ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ yín, ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ní sign of communication to you tó jẹ́ bí olówó ẹ̀. Tẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ bá wà happy, you see in them, they will show it to you. Tó bá dẹ̀ wà in the dull moment, maybe tó bá wà in the dull moment, ẹ kọ́kọ́ wo environment yẹn náà. They will give a sign pé ibi táwọn wà yìí, it is not conducive for them at all. But the first thing tẹ́ bá máa fi mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan ṣe ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ yìí tó ṣe ń ṣe sí ó máa yàtọ̀. Tẹ́bí bá ń pa bó ṣe máa ṣe sí ó máa yàtọ̀. Tá ipò sick and the environment is clean, ó máa yàtọ̀. It will be dull, so dull like láti wá kíyìn gan, ó máa wà restrict. Kán tó lè sick, ó máa ń pẹ́. If you have these major things, you have a good workers, you have a good animal, a good breed, you have a good formulation, and your environment is clean, your profit will be huge. You need to complete that form. It works together. My greatest achievement is just to see my pigs going fine and they are doing well.